Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Luevrrianus pasingki Solo. My major nautical department. Level 2. I'm from AIPI Makassar. And this is my friend.
My name is Sahrul. My major nautical level 2. I'm from AIPI Makassar. Good afternoon, doctor.
Good evening. Have a seat, please. What seems to be the problem?
Well, I have a bad cough and a sore throat, and also have a headache.
How long have you had these symptoms?
About 3 days now, and I am really tired too.
Hmm. It sounds you've got the flu. Take aspirin every 4 hours and get plenty of rest. Make sure you drink lots of fluids and call me if you still sick next week.
Okay, thanks.
Good evening, doctor.
Good afternoon. Have a seat, please. What seems to be the problem?
Well, I have a bad cough and a sore throat. I also have a headache.
How long have you the symptoms?
About 3 days now, and I'm really tired too.
It sounds like you're got the flu. Take aspirin every 4 hours and get plenty of rest. Make sure you drink lots of fluids. Call me if you're still sick next week.
Okay, thanks.